This is State Highway 413 and 407 near and just west of the small community of Weir, Mississippi, W-E-R-R, Mississippi. It is unbelievable how all the damage that I'm panning around and looking at happened in a matter of 1 to 2 minutes tops. Storm that moved through here just did a lot of damage in a short amount of time. And there's a home, looked like a pretty well constructed home that was nearly demolished. There's just a few walls left, and that's symbolic of at least moderate EM3 damage, certainly above EM2 damage. There's another home in that direction. People that lived here, it's kind of devastating. Got a police presence here, which is a good thing. Now, over in this direction, over in here, this used to be a convenience store, a little corner store, and when the tornado hit, 7 people crammed into this thing, and all of them walked out alive. We're going to go up to that station here in a second and walk around some and take pictures. And this is looking back to us south. Our home there just not living, but suffered considerable damage. And then there used to be another home in here where the bulldozers are. I don't know if they've taken it and bulldozed it or what. They're cleaning it up. It's a home in this community that was leveled all the way down to the foundation, according to some of the locals here. This is a pond. There's no telling what's at the bottom of it. It's just disaster. Local legend has it that this vehicle had an elderly couple in it as the tornado passed. They survived, but they were trapped in it, and people had to come in and prod them out of this vehicle. You can see it's just mangled. Probably wasn't a very good ride, but I'm glad they're okay. One other thing you can notice here is that if you notice, check out the trees, the way they're laying here. And I'm going to pan around. These are laying southeast. I'm going to pan around. These are just laying east. These are laying northeast. There's some trees back over in here that are laying northwest. So really interesting. You can really tell that some type of circulation came through just by looking at the damage and the way the damage is being laid. Over here is more tornado damage. Three vehicles who survived the storm, but they didn't survive it very well, at least. You see there's a little bit of a car sandwich, or maybe a truck sandwich. We're topping a van. Sad. Over to the north here. Another home damage. This is looking back towards the north. We just shot this video, but Apparently, over in here, some people named Oswald live over here. And their home is nearly gone. But they're okay. Now in this area, just north of here, there were some people that died. This is where the 5 fatalities occurred in this location. Or not necessarily in this location, but in this area. This is where they occurred. It's really a tough thing. Tragic. And this is another shot of what used to be a convenience store. Again, 7 people took refuge in here. And all of them walked out alive. Nobody died here. But you can see the place is just a mess. A mangled old mess. Tragic, but still tragedy averted. Another view of that power pole, and we'll have to be quick because there's a tractor coming.